Hi guys, today we are going to see the topic how to present and stay on your point. Yeah, now we are going to see how to prepare to present. So there are 6 points we have to consider when we are going to prepare to present. Have a backup resource. It's nothing like when you have a presentation, you have to take one more backup. Like if you lost the presentation, you have to keep the presentation in somewhere in your laptop or phone or any Bluetooth device. So this is the one of the most thing you have to consider. Research audience and event. So you have to research the audience, what you are going to present, what kind of audience. So those things we have to research, and you have to research the event, what you are going to present for that event related to that stuff. So share material needs with event coordinator. So you have to share the material before presenting to the event coordinator. So that is very much important. So next one is show up early to evaluate value. So you have to show up early so that you can evaluate the value. So you have to test the microphone check before proceeding to the presentation. And last one is you have to bring the water so that your energy level will be more. Yeah. So next was important topic like presentation basic. You have to, this is the first point, know your audience. You, the audience, what kind of audience, they know whatever you are going to present, what kind of the audience will be differ. They might know and they don't know kind of audience will be there. So you have to know your audience before the presentation. So accordingly your presentation should be there. Gather the main ideas. So you have to gather the main ideas about the presentation and place in a logical order. You have to prepare the presentations and you have to place in a such a correct logical order. So know what you want. So what you want you have to know, and the script, or you can say outline presentation, that is foremost important. And you have to practice more before the presentation and increase your emotion while the presentation. Based on the content you have to present your increase your emotions. So effective handout and slides. You have to prepare handouts and give to the audience before starting the presentation so that they can go through it further, and as well as while in middle of that they can refer that handouts. So that is very much important. So visual aid basics. So here, when you are presenting that one, the visual aid is very much important. So you have to use 10-second rule. So you have to go before that. You can apply before that. You have to check that one visual aid is working or not. Then use the fewest words possible. You can use a charts or graphs. Simplify graphs, and you can create a pocket slides, a small slides, and you can create a simplified graphs like a pie chart or bar chart, whatever possible, so that the audience will be able to understand. So take a break to gain fresh perspective. So that is also important actually. So answering questions without detailing. So before making a presentation, you have to understand the question. You can then you can answer the question to the audience. So defer the unrelated questions. Sometimes the audience will ask the irrelevant questions to that topic what you are discussing in the presentation. So you have to defer that one. So engage and answer the question precisely. You have to engage, and then you have to answer the question precisely so that the audience will get clarified. Keep answers on topic. So you have to answers, you should not deviate with the topic actually. Yeah. Next one is interruptions. So there are for minor issues, say the audience might speak in middle or something, so that you can smile and move on. No need to stop your presentation. So for major issues, note the exact spot in the presentation so that you can continue from there. So that is very much important. It's kind of bookmark you have to keep that presentation. Keep the presentation moving forward. You should not stop that presentation. You can move forward so that it will end in with treat the feedback quickly so that the interruptions will not be there. So dealing with technical errors. So audio video tips. We can differentiate two things here. One is the audio video tips and another one is the software tips. So keep the microphone from the speakers and check the wireless battery life whether it is working properly or not before that, and understand the device compatibility. So next one is the software tips. So here also we need to check the compatibility. Sometimes your presentation, your softwares will not work in the presentation place. It will not work. So you have to, before you itself, you have to check the compatibility with the coordinator, and you can bring the software accordingly. Backups your presentation so that it will not lost anywhere. So disable the screensavers and pop-ups. It will disturb the presentation. So the last one, it's a practice. So yeah, this will be for the audience. So practice with the colleague or yourself. Make a checklist for your future presentation. All the best, guys. I will see you in the next video. If you like this video, you can subscribe my channel.